Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best straw fidget toy is probably one of the most versatile and engaging sensory tools available today, offering a unique tactile experience that can help improve focus, reduce stress, and provide a discreet outlet for nervous energy, making it an ideal companion for students, office workers, or anyone seeking a moment of calm amidst a busy day. Number 5. BUNMO Pop Tubes, Sensory Fidget Toys. Discover a world of creative possibilities with these amazing sensory toys. They are designed to spark imagination and provide hours of engaging fun for children. Stretch, bend, and connect them to form letters, numbers, and spirals. This encourages open-ended building and early STEM thinking in a playful way. The satisfying pull and pop action helps build grip strength and bilateral coordination. It also teaches valuable lessons about cause and effect. This colorful set is perfectly sized for little hands. It's ideal for individual play, sibling interaction, and group activities. Click them together to create bracelets, hoops, and fun chains. They are built to flex, twist, and provide continuous popping enjoyment. These are designed for children aged 3 and above. They are non-mouthable and offer family-friendly fun for various settings. What we like. If you're looking for a toy that sparks imagination and encourages early STEM learning, this is a great choice. Its connectable tubes offer endless building possibilities and satisfying tactile feedback. Choose this if you want a versatile toy for solo or group play that promotes fine motor skills and creative thinking. What people say. The Straw Fidget Toy is a great sensory tool for kids and adults. It's made of durable, food-grade silicone and is easy to clean. The textured surface provides a satisfying tactile experience. Number 4. Nutty Toys Pop Tubes, Large 8-Pack Sensory Toys. Discover a world of fun and learning with these vibrant sensory tubes. They're easy to connect, sparking imagination and helping develop motor skills in little ones. Engage young minds with these educational toys. They're perfect for teaching letters and shapes, making learning an exciting adventure for toddlers. Feeling stressed? These tubes offer a satisfying sensory experience for adults too. Enjoy the popping sound and tactile feel to help you relax and refocus. Designed with a unique texture and soothing sound, they are ideal for individuals with ADHD or autism. Take them anywhere for on-the-go calm and focus. Crafted from premium, child-friendly materials, these tubes are built to last. They can withstand plenty of popping, stretching, and bending without losing their shape. Looking for a unique gift? These pop tubes make fantastic presents for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Spread joy and give the gift of fun and stress relief. We stand by the quality of our products. Enjoy peace of mind with our 2-year manufacturer's warranty, ensuring your satisfaction with these amazing gadgets. What we like. For those seeking a calming and focusing tool, this set is ideal. The satisfying popping sound and uneven texture provide a soothing effect for both children and adults. If you need a portable stress reliever for ADHD, autism, or general anxiety, or want a fun group activity, this large pack is perfect. What people say. The Straw Fidget Toy is a great sensory tool for kids and adults, offering a satisfying tactile experience. Its unique design allows for various fidgeting actions, such as bending, twisting, and squeezing, promoting focus and stress relief. Made from durable, food-grade silicone, the Straw Fidget Toy is safe for chewing and easy to clean. Number 3. PILPOC Fidget Pad Controller. Introducing the PILPOC Fidget Pad, designed to significantly boost your focus and reduce stress. It's the perfect tool for enhancing productivity and calming your nerves. Experience unparalleled comfort with its ergonomic design, fitting perfectly in your hand. It's lightweight and compact, making it ideal for fidgeting anytime, anywhere. Explore a world of tactile sensations with 8 unique fidget functions. From clickable joysticks to silent buttons and rollers, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic with a smooth, rubberized finish, it ensures durability and comfortable handling. Plus, it comes with a premium case for protection and portability. This tool is perfect for maintaining focus and achieving relaxation. It's designed for students, office workers, and anyone seeking tactile stimulation to stay engaged and calm. It offers a variety of sensory experiences that help calm nerves and reduce anxiety. This makes it an excellent choice for ADHD and sensory play. What we like. If you need a discreet and versatile fidget tool for focus and relaxation, this controller-style pad is an excellent option. It offers a variety of tactile experiences with its clickable joystick, buttons, and rollers. Choose this if you're an office worker, student, or anyone who benefits from tactile stimulation to stay engaged and calm. What people say. The Straw Fidget Toy is a great sensory tool for kids and adults. It's made of durable, BPA-free silicone, making it safe for chewing. The textured surface provides satisfying tactile input. Number 2. 3D printed fidget toys, Impossible Cone and Spiral Cone. Introducing our new set of fidget toys, expertly crafted with advanced 3D printing technology. They are made from durable, eco-friendly materials for long-lasting enjoyment and feature intricate details and smooth finishes. Experience the fun with our unique spiral cone fidget toy. Its creative design pushes and pulls in both directions, creating stunning visual effects that captivate the eye. These impossible cones offer flexible display possibilities. You can showcase them as two separate pieces or combined, adding a touch of magic to any desk or space. Perfectly sized for your pocket, purse, or desk, this spiral fidget toy is your discreet stress reliever. Keep it handy for moments when you need a quick escape. Looking for a funny present? These impossible cones make a unique and thoughtful gift for yourself or a loved one. They're ideal for Christmas, Halloween, Valentine's Day, or as stocking stuffers. If you find it a bit stiff at first, don't worry. Simply rotate them manually a few more times to achieve a smoother, more satisfying experience. What we like. For a unique desk toy that offers mesmerizing visual effects, this 3D printed option is a fantastic choice. Its intricate design provides a satisfying tactile experience and can be displayed in various ways. If you're looking for a small, portable stress reliever with a touch of artistic flair, this is perfect for your desk or pocket. What people say. The Straw Fidget Toy is designed with a smooth texture that feels good in the hand, making it comfortable for extended use. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry around, fitting discreetly in a pocket or bag for on-the-go fidgeting. The toy features multiple textured surfaces and rotating elements that provide a variety of sensory inputs, keeping fingers engaged and minds focused. Number 1. Sensory Chew Toys 4-pack for autistic children. Discover a safe and effective way to soothe chewing needs. Our specially designed toys offer comfort and relief for children with sensory sensitivities. These chewable tools are perfect for children with autism, ADHD, and SPD. They provide an outlet for oral motor stimulation and help manage biting behaviors. Help your child find calm and reduce anxiety. The gentle texture provides a satisfying sensory experience, promoting relaxation and focus. Crafted from high-quality silicone, these straws are durable and easy to clean. They are designed for frequent use and are safe for your child. Ideal for toddlers aged 1 to 3, these oral motor tools support healthy development. They offer a discreet and practical solution for teething and sensory input. This convenient 4-pack ensures you always have a chew toy on hand. Keep one at home, one in the car, and one for on-the-go needs. What we like. If you're looking for a safe and effective oral motor tool for children with special needs, this silicone chew set is highly recommended. Designed for biting and sensory input, these straws provide stress relief and anxiety reduction. Choose this if you need durable, chewable tools for autistic children, toddlers, or those with SPD and ADHD. What people say. The straws are bendable and can be twisted into different shapes. It's a quiet fidget toy, so it's not distracting in public places. The straws are made of a durable, non-toxic plastic. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.